Well, hello there. I know it's been a long time since I filmed, but guys, I'm in my house. Yes, my house. My husband and I bought our first house and it's so exciting. I hope it's not like super echoey. I feel like it is really echoey, but I'm going to try my best, and I really apologize if the lighting is off, if things are just not how they used to be. I have to figure out a whole new setup, and I don't know if I'm going to be doing it behind my vanity all the time. I have my bed behind me as a background, but that's not why you clicked on this video. So today I am going to be showing you guys the haul that I got for my birthday. As you guys probably know, or don't know, if you are a Sephora or Ulta or MAC rewards member, any of their programs, you get free things for your birthday. Every single year I have my birthday, I go to Ulta, I go to Sephora. MAC is new this year for me because I didn't know you could get a free thing on your birthday, but you can. I went to those three places and got free stuff for my birthday. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for free and also some things that I purchased with birthday money and all that fun stuff. I went to Sephora. This is Ulta. Oh, back up. I went to Ulta and got some things, got a free gift. But it's actually not the gift that was supposed to happen for my birthday. It's August or something through August or something through September, I don't know, but they all get the same birthday gift, and it was supposed to be a mascara, which I was not very excited about because mascara is not really something that I care about as much as other things. And in the past, they've gotten me pretty good gifts, so I was kind of like, this is whatever. But turns out they were out of the mascara, so the lady got me something else. This little bag thing right here, I poked my eye. This little bag thing right here has a mirror from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a really nice mirror. It's got your double-sided mirror situation right there. And then they also gave me a little mini lip gloss, and I was really confused about this shade because this one is called Moon Jelly, and it is a really interesting shade. It's like one of those holographic, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like all the purple sparkles, duochrome, blue, purple. Did I already say purple? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so out of it. My whole life has been this house. So I'm sorry if I'm blubbering and everything, but this is a really pretty shade of lip gloss. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can really see, but it's really pretty. I'll probably do swatches and stuff like that maybe in a different video. So maybe if I go back here, you'll be able to see, maybe. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, you can see that a little bit. So this is really cool holographic duochrome lip gloss. It's really cool. So I ended up really liking it, and my husband liked it too, which was kind of funny. Sorry if I'm not as glam as I usually am. This is literally me getting back at it, and I'll tell you guys a whole nother time, but moving and everything was crazy and it was such a long process, but that'll be another video. That's my birthday gift that I got from Ulta, which I'm pretty excited about. Look at this. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, anyways, I'm mesmerized by my own thing. I also got this spray, not as a birthday gift, but I really, really wanted it. And I was so excited when I saw that it was at Ulta. I almost said Sephora again. Ooh! I was really excited that it was at Ulta because usually Morphe products you have to buy on their website, especially this mist, this setting spray. It's called the Continuous Setting Mist. I've been really, really wanting this. I've read so many good things and seen so many reviews saying this is an amazing setting spray, and it's got such a really cool spray bottle. It has such a fine mist. I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but ooh, it's this really fine mist. It's kind of like the idea of a hairspray, I feel like. It has such a really, really nice microfine mist that sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish. It's really, really nice. I actually did use this twice now, and it is really nice. I haven't worn it with a full face of makeup, but like my natural makeup that I wear every day, it works so well. That is one thing that I'm really excited I got. And oh, it is $15. There's a little price tag on it, but yeah. It's $15, but it's a really good size. It's 2.8 fluid ounces. I feel like it's gonna last me a pretty good long time. That's not all I got from Ulta. Okay. Guys, I need to get better at this. One of the things I'm really excited to talk to you guys about is this product right here, which is the IT Cosmetics Hello Light Cream Anti-Aging Radiance Cream Luminizer. Whew, it's a mouthful, but I have read reviews about this and everybody says it's so beautiful. If you're looking for a glow from within look. So it says it is a lit from within glow. I've been looking for this kind of product because I am 30 now, believe it or not. I know I do not look 30, but I am. And so I actually have been getting fine lines and wrinkles and stuff, and my pores and everything. It's really hard to wear like shimmery, glittery makeup anymore, especially like on this area of my face. So I wanted to get a product that wasn't going to be glittery, that wasn't going to make my pores look terrible, you know, that works on skin that is textured and things like that. So I read that this is a really, really good one. And it's $24, which is really reasonable, I feel like. If you get like any other highlight, I mean, Becca highlights are like 38, Anastasia is like 28. I mean, they're all different price points, but this is a really good one. And it says it's developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, clinically tested, paraben-free, cruelty-free. And I have used this, so I know that I love it, but I swatched it in the store, and it's this really cute compact that's silver, and the product in it is really just a nice, just like, oh, I can't even explain it. It's just a very glowy, luminescent, just not glittery, not sparkly product. It's just so beautiful. It's so soft and so, it's got a sheen. Okay, that's what I was looking for, a sheen. When I put this product on, I'll put a little bit more on for you guys. It's just this really nice natural glow that you get with it. It's not like too crazy, but when I turned 30, I realized I can't use those like shimmery, glittery, chunky highlights anymore because my skin is obviously aged, and I know I don't look like it, but if you get real close, you could see. But it's such a nice product if you're looking for something that is for more aged skin, something that won't show your pores and your texture. It is an amazing product. I've used it every day since I got it for my birthday. And today is the 6th and my birthday was on the 4th, so I've been using it for 2 days straight because I love it. So I think it only comes in one shade, which is Radiance, but it is, oh, it's so beautiful. It just gives you this such nice sheen, so you don't look like glittery or like a disco ball. I don't really know, but it's such a nice product. So I'm so glad that I got this. So I think that's all that I got from Ulta. So moving on to Sephora and actually being able to say their name instead of saying Sephora for Ulta. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the birthday gift that I got from Sephora, which is the Glam Glow Hello Sexy Sephora Beauty Insider gift. This I have not used yet, so I'll do a whole separate video on this, but I have been wanting to try Glam Glow products for so long, but they're so expensive. They're $60 to $70 for a tub of something. I don't even know. So these are like a nice little sample of them. I haven't even opened this, but it has the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So that's kind of cool, called Nude Glow. I really don't know what exactly it is. I haven't even opened it. So, okay, yeah, just you can't tell at all, but it's like a very nice, again, a nice natural sheen. So I guess if you're looking for a little nice glowy moment, that's a really good product. And then I have the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This is the one I think I wanted to try. It's supposed to be good for like if you have pimples and things like that. So I have this little thing and we'll see how long that lasts, but it's 0.5 ounces. The other one is 0.5 ounces as well. So they're just different, they're just like different sizes, or different, not different sizes, different size tubes, but they have the same amount of products in them. So I'm very excited to try these and see how that goes. So that'll be another video, but that's what I got for the Sephora Beauty Insider gift for my birthday. So the last place I went is MAC, which is one of my new favorite stores, especially since I do freelancing. I get a lot of my products from MAC. I should say my foundations and stuff like that. They have one of my all-time favorite products, and I swear to you, I use it every single day. So I wanted to get another shade of this product because I love it so much, and that is the MAC Strobe Cream. This stuff is so nice. I use it on my clients, I use it on myself. It works for all skin tones, all skin types. It just gives you that beautiful glowing base for any kind of highlight you put on top, or you just wear it alone and it just gives you the most lit from within glow. Like, I really am into that lately, especially since I got to be 30 now. I like to be more glowy than just like full beat to the gods. I don't know, it's just kind of like, who has the time for it, I guess, but it's just the most beautiful product I've ever used. I know these are a little pricey, they're $34, but literally a tiny bit goes a long way. I usually just take what is on the little nozzle after I open the cap, because that is all you need to dot it on both sides. It's so beautiful. So I had to get the gold light shade because I wanted kind of like a base for when I have like more of a gold or a champagne tone highlight, which sometimes people have, and sometimes I have more of a pink highlight or something like that. So I have both of them. So gold light is just the strobe cream that I love with just a hint of a little gold, and it's not glittery, it's just the most beautiful glowy thing. I don't know, it's like magic. I don't know how they get it to be so smooth and not even look glittery on your face, but just look reflective and glowy. How many more times can I say glowy in this video? I don't know, but it is such a beautiful product, and I don't know if I can show you on my hand or not because I still, whoa, too much came out. Like I said, I mean, you only need a little bit, but it is such a beautiful glow. Can you guys see it? I hope you can see it, because it just gives the most beautiful glow. And this is like a gold kind of reflective tone, where the strobe cream pink light, which I actually have back here in my drawer, is one of my all-time favorites as well. It's the first one that I ever bought that I use on all my clients, all my brides. It's just so beautiful. This is Pink Light, and it's more of a pink tone. As it says on the bottle, it's Pink Light. So I don't know if you guys can tell at all, but it's got a really pretty pink reflective tone, which is so beautiful. So you can have either a pinky highlight or a gold highlight, and these both work for light skin tones. Primarily, all of my clients have been light skin tone, maybe a little bit darker, more on the tan side, but these work for every single skin tone that I've worked with. And I believe they have them in different tones too, where it's for darker skin, for medium to dark skin. So these work really well for light skin. I use them every day, and now that I have the gold light, I've been using it all the time, and I have actually been using the gold light, and then I layer on the IT Cosmetics Hello Light cream, which I really love. So it gives the most beautiful highlight I've ever used. I don't have any powder on, any powder, highlight, anything. It's just reflective, glowy, makes me look just alive, and I don't know, it's just so beautiful. So how many more times can I say beautiful? I don't know, but it's really pretty. So I believe that is all the things that I got for my birthday from the stores that I went to. I actually did order something from Colored Rain, but I think I'm going to put that in another video because I'm very excited about it, because it is colorful eyeshadows. So the pans that I bought are called Vivid Pigments, and they are so pretty. They just came today. So my next video, guys, I will probably show you guys everything. And yeah, I really apologize if this video has been like just everywhere. I'm still trying to get back into the swing of things. I'm just trying to figure out my setup and everything. I think next time I'm probably gonna do the video with my bed in the background, because I just got a beautiful new bed setup. So yeah, we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna try to figure out this whole thing. I hope this is okay, but I missed you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, because that always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. You know the deal, because it really helps me as well. And comment, guys, because I love to talk to you and hear your ideas for videos, and if you just want to talk to me and say what's up. I mean, I'm always there to answer your questions. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If any of you have the birthday that I have, or were wondering about any of those products, I will probably do more in-depth reviews of the products that I talked about if you guys would be into that kind of thing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!